malinis po ang ating kinakain. Hi guys, I'm presenting to you the ingredients for my next special recipe. So I have here spring onion, garlic, ginger, chili, and the onion. And I have here a buttermilk, then magic syrup. And I have here 3 plastics of fresh tahong. This is a fresh tahong, guys. And of course, a little of Sprite soda. So first and foremost, ibasa po natin yung ating ingredients para malinis po ang ating kinakain. So this is it guys, malinis na po itong ating tahong. Tapos meron tayo dito garlic. Then slice po natin to. Itong ginger, tapos spring onion, then chili. Tapos of course, ito yung buttermilk and Sprite po tayo guys. I-slice po natin itong onion. So ito na po yung slice onion. We'll put buttermilk. Hi guys, this is Jerry's home cooking. For today's content, I have a very special recipe today. It's a tahong recipe, cooking in a very special way. So we put the butter, then we're going to put garlic. Saute the garlic. Then we'll put onion. Then we'll put ginger. Then chili. Then we'll put the tahong. So ito na guys, so nagwatery siya guys, but I don't add water. The tahong has already a liquid part on its body. So when it cooks, it waters. Ayan. Then right after, we'll add magic syrup seasoning. Ayan. Then mix it. So ito na guys, so we let it dry. We saute the tahong, then we're going to let it dry, then we're going to put another ingredients right after that this tahong will a little bit dry. with a little sauce. This is just home cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more cooking tutorial like this and some other unique recipes. Masarap tong luto ko, guys. Yum yum. Yun na guys, medyo malana siya. Dahil medyo malana siya, next step, ang gawin natin ay we're going to add Sprite. Yes guys, masarap to guys. Tama na yung timplada ng sabaw. Masarap. Balance na yung saltiness tsaka sweetness ng tahong natin. At saka mabango. Konti na lang ang sabaw. We'll add spring onion. Mix it. Gusto ko kasi guys yung may dahon. Masarap pag may dahon. Dahon ng spring onion. Done cooking. Wow, yummy. This is a buttered garlic tahong. Masarap sa langga. And I believe that you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching. Sarap yan.